opportunities అనేది there is no dearth for it అంటే తక్కువ అనేది ఏం కాదు. So it's a huge sector and there are diverse opportunities that are available in the sector. Some of them can move on to what is called as online digital లో మనకు ఏమైపోతుంది అంటే a lot of digital tourism agencies have come up. So those who get trained in certain software can be placed in those digital platforms లో place అవుతారు. కొంతమంది వాళ్ళ own tourism operators గా they can become. Some of them move on and go on to what is called as tourist guides. Some of them can start off. Then some of them what they can do is experiential tourism, what is called as circuits laga start cheyochu. So for instance, like I said earlier, okati memo I just mentioned anamata, there is this particular person who, an entrepreneur who has made this experience as a tourism circuit laga tayaru chestaru. So what they do is they start off with a place and then they show the local tourist and foreign tourist places చూపించి culinary what dishes అనేది టేస్ట్ చేపించి దాని తర్వాత they make them experience the entire one. So అలా చిన్న చిన్న circuits also you can do in the rural tourism area. So there's a potential for lots of what is called as innovative ideas that can be implemented in this particular sector అండి.